Hello, this is Alice from Hebei Dapu. Today we are going to show you our wire mesh welding machine. This is the wire mesh welding machine for line wire and cross wire, both feeding by coils. This one can weld from 1.5 to 2.8 millimeter. It can make 50 mm longitude wire space and cross wire space 25, and the mesh hole size is adjustable. This machine can controlled by touch screen, and we equip many famous brands in our control box. This is the Schneider air switch and air components, and the Delta power supply, Delta PLC, Delta inverter, and Delta servo driver for control the machine working. This is the edge cutter and middle cutter. It can make 2 rows or 3 rows at the same time, and the burr of the mesh edge will be clean. For this mesh opening, the longitude wire can be adjusted by loosening the screws, and it is adjustable as your need, 50, 60, 70 as your need. The machine uses the mesh pulling system by the servo motor to pulling the cross wire space, and it equips the cable carrier to protect the wire cables and air pipes. For this machine, it can make 2 kinds of mesh, both mesh rolls and mesh panels. It can coiling by the automatic mesh rollers. This one can discharge the mesh rolls automatically. When you finish the mesh rolls, you can fix it, and then it will be automatically pulled out. This is a repair system. When there is welding, you can just fix it here, stop the machine and fix it here. Very convenient.